Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate Sunburst chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, variables are divided into two parts. The first one is dimension and second one is a measure. To create the Sunburst chart, we will pick up a category from here and drop it into the color. Now I'll change this to the pie chart and I will activate the entire view. Let us select sales from here and drop it into the angle. I want to create the zero axis. So double click here. A cursor will appear. Enter 0. Enter. From this one pie chart, I want to create two pie charts. How can I do it? So Control Shift, select some 0 and drag it and drop it nearer to it. So two pie charts will be created. Increase the size of the pie from here. Now select subcategory from here and drop it into the detailing. Now click here and activate color in the second pie chart. You can see here. This is only changed. Make sure that you make the changes in the second pie chart. Now you will go here and activate the dual axis. So both the charts will superimpose each other. Now interchange the position. Pick up this sum 0, the second one, and drop it here. Now in marks, there are all, sum 0, sum 0 2. Make sure that you are in sum 0 and increase the size of the pie chart. So you can see the circle which is behind, its size will increase. So make it reasonable. Now I want to remove this 0 line. I'll click here and so the header will be removed. Now I want to sort the pie chart according to the sales. I'll go here, activate sort. From here, I'll activate field. And from field name, I will activate sales. And you can see the changes have been made. Now to assign proper colors to this chart, I'll click here and edit colors. I'll select all the furniture and activate blue color from here. Blue color. Assign the palette. Now I will select office supplies from here and activate the orange color from here. Assign the palette. Now I'll select technology from here and activate the red color from here. Assign the palette. Apply. Click OK. I'll click on subcategory and again I will do the sorting. This time I will activate descending. Make sure sales is on. Now pick up subcategory from here and drop it into sum 0. That is the inner one. Sum 0. Sum 0. Sum 0 to drop the category into the label. Now pick up this technology from here and drop it into the inner quadrant. Similarly, pick up the furniture from here and drop it into the inner pie. Same way, pick up the office supplies and drop it into the inner pie. So you can see the Sunburst chart is ready. For more videos on Tableau, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau.